Hi, hello everyone. So we are at the second India Auto Show, and right now we have with us Dr. Deb Mukherjee, who's managing director of Omega Siki Mobility. Hello, Mr. Deb. How are you?
I'm good. Pleasure to be talking to you.
Yeah. Thank you for joining us today.
My pleasure.
Yeah. In the background, we can see a very good, Rage Plus Frost commercial vehicle. It's a refrigerated electric vehicle for last mile delivery, as you can see on the vehicle. Uh, so, just to get a bit of background about the vehicle, I'd like to ask you a few questions, sir. So, uh, so, can you tell us about this venture of Omega Seki Mobility with your partner, Rage?
Okay, Omega Seki Mobility is a group company of Anglian Omega. We have been in the automotive business for last 5 decades. We are a 50-year-old company. Our main businesses are in the steel and automotive components. We have a pan-India presence, and company is headed by Mr. Uday Naran. He is the chairman of the group, and our facilities are all over India, manufacturing components and steel re-rolling, etc. Now OSM is our new company under which we have started manufacturing the electric three-wheeler and other electric vehicles. It is a purely electric vehicle venture, or rather a technology company, and we will be manufacturing various vehicles and also operating the last mile mobility under this brand name OSM. So that's our vision, that we want to address the last mile issues that the logistic operators, e-commerce companies, food and pharma companies face. So we are addressing those problems using our technology and our mobility solutions.
So that's a really wonderful start, towards transforming towards the green revolution. So, can you tell us about this vehicle that we see in the background?
The vehicle that you see in the background is a refrigerated reefer vehicle, and we have collaborated with a company Trans ACNR. They are pioneers in manufacturing refrigerated reefer trucks. They have been in business for last 20 years, and they have a market share of more than 60% in this segment. So they are our partners in this ventures. We provide the vehicle. They bring in the refrigerated technology. So it's an ideal combination to store and transport vaccine,
Yeah.
food, milk products, etc. So we feel that this is a great combination of two strong technology companies, and
Right.
we are introducing it here to the market and to our customers.
That's wonderful, sir. So it's great to see two good technology companies coming together and joining hands to bring about the EV revolution. So, can you tell us about the specifications of this vehicle? So, like, what sort of charging does it require? What is its range and all?
The vehicle is powered by lithium ion battery, and it has a 10.5 kilowatt hour battery pack
Okay.
for the vehicle, and it also takes care of the cooling unit, and the range of the vehicle is 100 kilometer per single charge. And we have the beauty of it is that we have got both the fixed battery as well as swappable battery options. So anytime you run out of charge, you can go for a swap solution. So the vehicle is ideally suited for rural areas, or areas which are not so easily accessible for the bigger trucks, etc. And it can store up to 500 kilo of cargo. So that's the substantial amount of cargo space that we are providing. We can customize it for anything from -4 degree up to 20 degrees. It is suitable for vaccine, for pharma products, as well as food, milk products, etc., etc. And you can charge it using your home charging, a normal 15 ampere plug, as well as charge it at any commercial point. So it's an ideal solution for last mile mobility.
That's wonderful, sir. So, as we can see, the vehicle is quite compact in size and can reach any part of India. So, that's what it is for last mile distribution. And given it's refrigerated, it's ideal to transport any kind of thing. So, that's really great. Uh, as you said regarding battery swapping, so do you plan to have any swapping stations somewhere, or have you partnered with anyone for that?
Yeah, that's a very important question you have raised, because you see the charging or the mile, range anxiety is the major issue to be addressed as far as EVs are concerned. We have, as I said, both the option, the fixed option as well as the swap option. For swap option, we are working with Sun Mobility, who are pioneers in the electric vehicle, and particularly the swap solutions. So our vehicles are on their platform, and we create swap stations based on our customer requirement. So wherever customer needs it, we will provide the swap station and we run it. It is important thing is that we take care of the entire energy requirement, or recharging. It's like refueling, putting up a fuel station. So that's what we do, and we are a complete solutions company. So we provide the end-to-end solution, not only just the vehicle, like many of our competitors are doing, but we provide the entire solution. It is the charging, then the whole battery swapping and cargo delivery, everything under one roof, which is the OSM.
That's really great to know, sir. So this will, to some extent, reduce the anxiety among the users, and this is definitely a great solution for small-scale distributors who deal into such kind of things, say either food or either medicines and all. This is a complete EV solution that we are getting. So it's a great vehicle, and so I mean, I'm pretty sure this is a start, and we are going to see a lot more of such vehicles come through from you.
Sure.
Yeah. So I wish all the best for the launch of this vehicle,
Thank you so
and
much.
I'm pretty sure this is going to be a super hit.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So guys, be prepared. This vehicle is going to hit the market soon. So be on the lookout. Yeah. Thank you so much, Doctor, for talking to us today. It was nice talking to you.
My pleasure.
Yeah. Thank you.